Hi, I'm Vernaz and welcome to Low Carb Keto Recipes and Having Fun. So today I have yet another innovative and exciting recipe for you. So we're standing in my kitchen. Let's get cooking and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell for all my future recipes. See you in my next recipe. Okay, so let's begin. I've taken a bowl in which I'm going to make the yogurt, and I am going to be using single cream. If you're in the UK, you will use single cream. If you are in the US, you are going to use half and half. Yes, this is what makes the magic happen and keeps the carbs really low. So I've got 300 milliliters of single cream, and now I'm going to put it into the microwave and heat it up. And this is very, very important. You have to bring it up to 100 degrees Fahrenheit. If it's too hot, your bacteria will die. Now, I'm using a strain of called l.reuteri. It has many health benefits. It's a combination of l.salivarius and l.reuteri. This is all based on Dr. Davis's recipe. Now, I have a previous batch that I've made here, so I'm going to be using that. But if you are going to be using the tablets, then all you have to do is put in one tablet and crush it into the first batch that you're going to make. The first batch might be a little liquidy. Don't worry about that. You can also use normal Greek yogurt if you like. It's just that the strain will be different. Now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of inulin. Inulin is a prebiotic, so you're going to get a lot of benefits, and the inulin is going to help the bacteria grow. It's going to eat the inulin. Now I'm putting 1 tablespoon of that previous batch of yogurt that I made. You can also use gaia, I believe, l.reuteri, which you'll need 5 tablets and you'll crush them and you'll use that. Okay, now I have this little yogurt maker. If you don't have a yogurt maker, just cover the dish with a tea towel and put your oven light on, and we're going to let this go for 24 hours. Yes, 24 hours. And I'm going to show you, I'm doing a really good mix-in so that otherwise the inulin gets clumped up. So see that you mix it really well. Now we're going to let this go for 24 hours. The yogurt maker keeps it at a steady temperature. So let's see what comes out. So now this is the next day, 24 hours later, and you'll see it's a bit liquidy. Don't worry about that. Just put it into your refrigerator for a few hours, and this is what you get. There's no liquid left. It's thick, creamy. It's almost like eating a dessert, and it is got that distinct yogurt taste. Absolutely fantastic. Do try this, and like I said, this is based on Dr. Davis's recipe. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe. Bye then.